How to see favorite videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you saved your favorite videos on TikTok and want to see it again? Then you're in the right place. So, first things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner, and there you'll see four options. And what you have to do is to visit your favorites, you have to tap on the third option, and here you go, your favorite video will appear. So if you don't know how to add your video to favorites, then what you can do is go to home, and if you like this video, you'll have to tap on the option below the comments. And there you go, it has turned to yellow. It means it has been added to favorites. Now you can go to your profile and go to the same place again and see. The video that you just added to your favorite appears here. And now you can always come back and see your favorite videos on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.